Good morning student. Today we are going to see the chapter that is role of computer. In last video you have learned about the introduction of computer. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device. Yes or no? Computer is a multitasking machine also. Yes, you have learned in the last video. Now today you are going to see the topic that is role of computer. What is the role of computer? Okay, where it is being used. Okay, computer, first of all, computer is a multitasking machine. Means at a time you can listen music, at a time you can do your work also. It is multitasking machine used in every field. Okay, computer is a multitasking machine used in every field. Okay, what is a computer? Computer is a multitasking machine used in every field. Where are the computer being used? We are going to learn in this chapter. What is the role of computer, where it is being used? Okay, the first of all, see where the computer are being used. You have no everyone. Where the computer is being used? Computer are being used in shops, schools, banks, railway station, airports, at home, in offices, in hospital. Yes or no? In shops, school, banks, railway station, airport, at home, in offices, in hospital. Okay, now it's been used in this places. Yes or no? Why it is being used in shop now? You will be learning about why it is being used in shop. Well, it is being used in shop for the record of any of the material you're making a list in DMart you're going. Yes or no? The list has been updated in computer only, where they are keeping all records. So record of the material, any of the goods. Then it take what the uncles give you, the bills. Yes or no? The printing bills. From where you're getting that printing bills, it's been given by the computer only. So the computers are being used in shops for record of material and printing bill. Okay. Now in school, next one. Why in school the computer is being used? Computer is being used for, why it is being used in school? You go in a computer lab, yes or no, to do the practicals. It's been used in computer lab, yes or no? It's been used in lab, no? That is why it is being used to do the practicals, yes or no? Then for the record system, your records have been mentioned in the school, yes or no, that this person has been there. Then your mobile number, then your all the information is being stored in the computer. All your records are being kept in a computer. Then in teaching purpose, for us teachers also, it's been used, no, to show all the videos for you all. That's why. Then making timetable of yours, the computer is being used. Yes or no? In school, it is being used in various purposes. That is used in school lab, then to keep the record of yours, then making timetable. Okay. Then teachers, for helping the teachers also. The next one, bank. Why the computer is being used in bank? Bank, it is being used for the entry of your passbook. Your mama is having the passbook now. That time, what the computer does, it makes the entry. Yes or no? That how much amount is being transferred, how much amount is being this one transferred to any of that account. So that's why entry of the passbook. Then for customer accounts, all the information which is being stored, then in the passbook it is being displayed. Then it is being used. Why it is being used in bank? To keep the record of the person, that to keep the record of all the accounts. Yes or no? Then to entry the passbook also, it's been used in bank. The next one, railway station and airport. Why it is being used in railway station and airport? For keeping the records of arrival and departure of the trains and flights. Yes or no? Which time the train is coming, with what time the flight is being taken off. So that time the computer is being used. That time they are showing the computer that this time the flight will move off. This time the flight will arrival. This time will the flight will be departure. Yes or no? They are having the records. Where they are having the records? In the computer only. So for keeping the record of arrival and departure of flights and train, it's been used. Then for the booking of tickets, you're doing online ticket booking, yes or no? It's been used. The computer is being used at home only for booking the ticket. You want to go somewhere, you want to fly anywhere. So what you're doing? Online booking, yes or no? It's been used. Here also for the railway station and airport. Next one, at home. At home also it is being used. It used for entertainment purpose. You see movies, cartoon, play games. Yes or no? This time at home it has been used for the office work also, your dad also helps. It's been helpful for your dad to do all the work at home also. Got it? The next one, in offices. Why it is being used in offices? To keep all the record of employees. Why it is being used? To keep the record of an employee, whatever the work has been done. So they are keeping the entry in official email, they want to send anything, letter. So the computer is being used in offices also. Then in a hospital. Why it is being used in hospitals? To maintain the record of the patients. Yes or no? Now which person has been coming, which person is going out, that time it's been entered in in the computer. Yes or no? The computer which is being used in the following purpose, it is shops, banks, at home, hospitals, school, railway station and offices. Got it? This is a chapter, that is role of computer. Role of computer means where the computer is being used. What is the computer purpose? Okay, computer, first of all, what is a computer? A computer is a multitasking machine used in every field. Okay, and where the computer are being used? Shops, schools, banks, railway station, homes, offices, hospital. It's being used in some special purposes. Yes or no? This is the topic.